In this lesson, let's learn about factorization and substitution. 因数分解、置き換えの利用。Factorize the following equation. First, focus on the properties of the equation. For this problem, let a represent x plus y as a single term. If we do that, then it becomes a squared plus 2a minus 15. Next, factor the equation a. Finally, factor a back in if necessary. Now let's do some practice. Press the pause button and try to solve the practice problem. Once you're finished, press the resume button and mark what you got correct. Now let's check our answers. In the first equation, let a represent x minus 2y as a single term. The equation for a can be solved by factoring and then reverting back to the form of the original equation. In the second question, let a represent x minus y as a single term, which can be solved by factoring the expression for a and then reverting back to the form of the original equation. In the third question, let a represent x squared as a single unit. Factor the expression for a and revert back to the form of the original equation to get parentheses x squared plus 1 parentheses times parentheses x squared minus 4 parentheses. X squared minus 4 can be factored further, so factor it to get the solution. Finally, let's review what we have learned. Focus on the properties of the equation. Let a represent a part of the equation as a single term. Factor the expression for a. Revert back to the form of the original equation. Factor. That concludes this lesson.